Welcome to Innovate Solutions. This is Dr. Jaya Albert, VP Research, presenting Python capabilities. Agility is the hallmark of our times, and Python is the programming language of the Agile era. When compared with other modern programming languages, Python achieves superior results in significantly shorter timescales for a number of different reasons. The IT department has been turbocharged with Python as the universal programming language. It's the master key for system integration. With huge number of Python libraries, its applications can run on all operating systems with Python interpreter. It is an easy to learn language that has changed everything like industry, service sector, research and science to meet a wide range of different requirements. Also, scientists, engineers, financial experts with little programming experience can use Python to solve specific complex technical problems. Most importantly, without Python, the World Wide Web would not exist in its present form. Python is tailor-made for its web applications. The Mozilla Corporation, manufacturer of Firefox browser, is impressed with Python for its web services. One of the most valuable brands, Google, is powered by Python. It has changed the web and our lives with its innovative products written in Python like Bitly, YouTube, SurveyMonkey, etc. Lively open sources used by a large dynamic community are based on Python programming. ESRI and ArcGIS, leading geographic information system solutions, have increased its productivity of mapping knowledge with Python. The Open ERP, that is agile at all levels, and enterprise resource planning suite, and egenix.com, which has provided VAT services for Ghana, or sources where Python played a strategic role in its development. The OpenQuake engine, a global earthquake model, and forecast watch used by the Weather Channel were written in Python to improve its quality and to calculate the inconceivable. As a rollout to future, Python adds new impetus to industry. WAM0, an aircraft conceptual design with Python, enables DLR, Germany's National Research Center for Aeronautics and Space, to address its challenges during aircraft designing and to integrate novel technologies. Quantax, a Swisscom IT service, addresses post-trade risk management and currently uses it on bank trading flow. Python is the sole programming language of Quantax. Python-based mathematical applications are used to assess risks in world stock markets and to calculate insurance premiums. And PyTAF, the Python Adaptive Framework, processes millions of euros of trade data every day at Landesbank, Baden-Württemberg, Germany. OLPC, One Laptop Per Child, is a learning program with Python, one of the world's most ambitious education product for self-empowered learning. XPIs, the Eyes for Science, provides low-cost experiments for young engineers and scientists. SMS CMAG AG is a leading company in metallurgical plant and rolling mill technology, which is improving its efficiency by devising energy-saving methods of operation known as eco mode, and thus it saves energy with Python. Python is quickly and enthusiastically embraced as a language of science. CMS is one of the several experiments at LHC CERN at understanding particle physics, chasing the Higgs boson, the theory of Big Bang with Python. Python helps physicists in managing petabytes of data with storage infrastructure and configuring parameter set. The Mars probe agenda is looking for life using EPR and EPRI without human assistance. So Kaimi Paris Tech is developing a new imaging pipeline algorithm using Python for automatic image reconstruction and also rock sample selection. Python is adopted widely in film industry. And action, Python in the director's chair, pure magic. Python plays a key role in its production pipeline and to produce computer-generated film sequences, special effects and animations of films like Star Wars, Jurassic Park, etc. Without Python, a project size of the Avengers would have been very difficult to pull off. Side Effects software develops Houdini with Python, a 3D animation software to add computer graphics to feature films, games, and to perform high-level tasks with higher quality visual effective tools. Python is ideal for system administration because of its interactive scripting language. And also many companies are using Python-based management programs for efficient and secure management of data centers with hundreds of servers. Python features prominently in cloud computing. The OpenStack has become one of the fastest growing open source projects of all time for building clouds, created to drive industry standards in cloud and speed cloud adoption. The open source cloud operating system also enables businesses to manage compute, storage, and networking resources via self-service portal and APIs. Python was the first programming language to be supported by Google Apps Engine. Also, various implementations and interpreters are available for the Python programming language like CPython, Jython, IronPython, PyPy, Stackless Python, and Python on mobile. Last but not the least, the programming language of the Agile era has developed into its new level for better solutions, where Python is ultimately in our everyday use. Thank you.